Now we are on part 23 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. When it comes to the user experience of search engine users, Google aims to provide a positive experience by directing them to the websites with high quality content that are easy to navigate and load quickly. In addition to web page load time, Google also takes into account other factors such as spam content, intrusive ads, and pop-ups, which can negatively impact the user experience. Therefore, it is important for website owners to prioritize user experience when designing their websites in order to rank higher in organic search results and provide a positive experience for their visitors. When people search for something on Google such as ice cream recipes, they want to find a website that is relevant to their search and provides important content. This is what Google strives to achieve, creating an environment where users can easily find what they're looking for. As a website owner, it's important to ensure that your website provides a good user experience and relevant content. Google de-indexing a website by mistake can be detrimental to the website's traffic and visibility. It's important to follow best practices and avoid any spammy or low-quality content on your website. Ultimately, providing important and relevant content for users is key to achieving a good search engine ranking and a positive user experience. To put it simply, being indexed by Google means that your website's pages are discoverable and accessible to users when they search for relevant keywords. For instance, if your food blog has 150 ice cream recipes, you want all of them to be indexed by Google so that users searching for ice cream recipes can find them easily. SEO or search engine optimization is a process of optimizing your website's content to increase its ranking in Google search results. The goal is to have all your pages ranked at the top for specific keywords, such as best homemade ice cream recipes. Later on, we will discuss techniques for getting your pages indexed and ranked higher on Google search results pages. To achieve better rankings on search engines such as Google, certain steps need to be taken to optimize your website. This process is known as search engine optimization, and it involves improving specific elements of your website, including content, keywords, and link building. For instance, imagine a scenario where 100 students enter an essay contest and their entries are judged based on their relevance on the topic. Similarly, search engines evaluate your website's content to determine its relevance to specific keywords and phrases that users search for. The factors that are considered in an essay competition, such as suitable titles, structure, and readability, are also relevant in search engine optimization. In SEO, we need to apply certain practices to increase the visibility of our web pages for specific keywords. For instance, we need to ensure that our content has a logical structure, is well organized, and easy to read, just like in an essay competition. Additionally, having suitable titles and synopsis are also important in both cases. In essence, the same principles that apply to creating a good essay can also be applied to creating effective SEO content. To succeed in SEO, it's crucial to consider various factors such as having relevant content, suitable titles for pages, well-organized structure, and a clear synopsis of the content. All these elements contribute to making the content readable and easily accessible to users. Additionally, site speed plays a significant role in enhancing the user experience. Thus, it is essential to optimize site speed, especially for mobile devices. Responsive design is a key aspect of this, ensuring that your site can load seamlessly across multiple platforms, including desktop and mobile. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your chances of improving search engine rankings and boosting your online visibility. Just like in an essay competition, where judges evaluate the content, structure, organization, and readability of each entry, Google plays the role of the judge in ranking web pages on their search engine. In order to rank higher, web pages need to have relevant content, suitable titles, well-organized structure, and easy-to-read content. Additionally, link building both internally and externally is also crucial for ranking higher in Google search results. Later in this video, we will also discuss off-page SEO, which includes link building strategies. To rank a website in Google, the search engine follows a three-step process. First step is to crawl your website, which means that Google's bots or spider visit your website to analyze its content. Then, they take their information back to their servers. After this, your web pages need to be available for indexing, which means that they are added to the Google's database and can be found by the users when they type in relevant keywords on google.com. This process is crucial to ensuring that your website is discoverable through organic search results. Google's bots use links to find new pages to crawl. When a bot crawls a page, it looks for links to other pages and follows them. This allows the bot to discover new pages and add them to Google's index. It's important to have a clear and organized link structure on your website to make it easy for the bots to crawl and index all of your pages. Once Google has crawled and indexed your pages, it uses various algorithms to determine the relevance and quality of each page for different search queries. Based on this analysis, Google ranks the pages in order of perceived relevance and quality. The goal is to provide the best possible search results for each query. In essence, search engines like Google utilize a process called spidering to follow links on websites and gather information on all available pages. By doing so, Google builds a network of interlinked pages, including those of ABC Company's website. Based on the pages they collect, Google indexes them and makes them searchable via organic search. It is crucial to ensure that your website is available for crawling and indexing. Otherwise, if a user searches for a keyword and your pages is not indexed, it will not show up in the search results. Therefore, when a user enters a search query on Google, the most relevant websites that are available in Google's index will be displayed in the search results. In the example I used about ABC Company, the brand name is ABC Company, which is highly relevant. This is why you see ABC Company appear as the top organic result. As we discussed earlier, SEO is important for user experience, and there are many factors that contribute to pages ranking, with relevance being one of them. In the context of ABC Company, the relevance of their pages to the company name is high. However, ABC Company also needs to ensure that their pages have a fast load time for the end user. In addition for crawling, indexing, and ranking web pages, Google takes into consideration a variety of other factors when determining which pages to display in its organic search results. One crucial factor is user experience, which includes elements such as how long a person stays on a website and whether or not they quickly bounce away from the page they landed on. This means that the websites that provide a positive user experience by keeping visitors engaged and interested are more likely to rank highly in Google search results. However, user experience is not only the factor that Google considers when ranking websites. Language and location are also important elements, as Google strives to provide search results that are relevant and helpful to users in different regions and speaking different languages. In order to effectively rank websites, Google must take into account a wide range of factors, and businesses must work to optimize your websites accordingly in order to achieve high search rankings and attract more visitors to their sites. The search results displayed on Google may vary based on location. For instance, a search conducted in India may yield different results than the same search conducted in the United States. This is due to the fact that Google indexes a vast number of web pages and its bots crawl different pages at different times. While Google's index is continually being updated, it is not synced up in real time. Therefore, a user in India may see different search results than a user in the United States because the Google servers in each location may not have the exact same information at the same time. For instance, if you're searching for a cafe in San Francisco, the search results that you'll see will be different from those you'll see if you're looking for the cafes in Mumbai. In the search results, there will be local listings at the top, and there may also be some paid ads. However, since there are two Google search engines, one for India and the other for the United States, and they are not synchronized in real time, you may see different search results for the same query at different times. This is because the search engines are crawling and indexing different web pages and updating their index at different intervals. The location, language, relevancy, and user experience are significant factors that influence how Google ranks websites. These factors play a crucial role in determining the search engine optimization of a website. In order to rank for a specific keyword on Google, it is necessary to apply SEO techniques. To achieve search engine optimization, there are two strategies: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. In this context, we will first discuss on-page SEO, which involves optimizing one's website. There are various elements on a website and web pages that need to be taken into consideration when optimizing for search engines. These elements include headers, meta descriptions, title tags, and linking. As an end user, we have control over these elements, and they play a crucial role in ranking our website and web pages on Google. Google crawls the links on our website, which can help us improve our website's visibility. In essence, what happens is that Google's bots will extract the content from your website and save it on their servers to make it accessible in their search index. Using this approach, Google can determine which websites have relevant content based on certain keywords that users search for. Consequently, if Google is unable to crawl your website, then it won't appear in their search results, making it difficult for potential users to find your website. To avoid confusion, it's important to differentiate between organic search and paid search. Paid search results can be identified by the ad label next to them. Organic search results, on the other hand, are generally displayed below paid ads. This is where Google displays the 1 million or 10,000 search results that it has crawled and indexed. The process of crawling and indexing is essential to determine which websites have relevant content for specific keywords entered by the user. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 24.